Hi everyone, my name is Mark Anthony. I'm currently studying social sciences, even though I've studied 3D animation in art school before. So right now I'm gonna be talking to you guys about a website which is used for any person studying in the 3D industry or in the art industry and would like to later on work in the movies industry or the video games. We're located in Montreal, so there's a lot of opportunities. So just listen to what I'm gonna be saying. So first of all, just write down the domain. It's called ArtStation. ArtStation. See, it's a very nice design website. You can find a lot of whatever's in the community, whatever it's trending, every recent posts. But that's not what we're looking for. What we're looking for is to find yourself a job. You finish studying, you're still working for McDonald's and you live in your parents' basement, but you'd like to expand, to grow by yourself. So now you're looking for jobs. So of course there's learning, marketplace, prints. The one we're gonna be interested in is in jobs. So you press on the tab of jobs here, and it's gonna be redirecting you in jobs. Trouvez votre prochain cancer. Yeah, no way. So here are the few companies that you could work at. It says where they're located, how many jobs they have open. Most of them are in the US, but like I said, Montreal is a very huge center point if you want to work in the video game industry. So, wait, is there no companies in Montreal? Don't worry about it if we don't, like, there's one in Vancouver. It's too far away. Oh, there's one in Montreal. Good. Even though some of them may not be in Montreal and you like to work there, some of these companies offer you HEDA mobility, which is basically they can offer you the transportation to go there. If you have to take a flight ticket, a plane ticket, they're gonna offer it to you for free. That's if you pass the qualifications. So anyway, here's a small description of the company, whatever they do, how long they've been doing it. Usually just brag about how many people work in the industry, just to scare you off a little bit. So let's say you want to become a lead artist. You're a senior, you've never worked, you work in McDonald's, so lead artist, which is pretty prestigious. So here's a small description of the work you have to do. You have to work in collaboration with production teams, person, art directors, 3D animator, blah blah blah. Some competence you need, the qualifications. Here it is. Everything you need to know. If you're still looking for some more information, you can come here in the website. It's come directly to the website of the company. Here's some more information. It's in French or English. I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna read it in French anyway. So here it is. Some of them offer you public transportation allowance, vacations, benefits, whatever a normal job would offer you. So let's say you're interested, you press here, so you're gonna be sending your CV and your portfolio, and that'll be it. So that's what I have to say about ArtStation. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't leave a comment, don't say no messages. That'll be it. Okay, see you guys.